So in the two videos I most recently posted, well, first of all we drew the base. This is an MDF base, and rounded the corners off using the arc tool. Then in the next video I duplicated that, made this panel that goes on top. Now I need to add some detail to it. I'm assuming that this is going to represent something like a vacuum form case on a plain radius panel. So I need to have some guides. Now first of all I'm just going to delete any existing guides because I don't want any there, but then I'm going to view the guides, make sure that you've got guides on, and then I'm going to use a tape measure. So I press T for the tape measure and then I just drag in from the edge, and then once I've released with the mouse, then I can type say 30 millimeters, press enter, so it's set up a guide there. Now you're going to need to specify the correct settings for you, so these are arbitrary really, so let's just then say 25 on this side. Maybe I'm going to insert maybe by 25 there, so you can press 25 like that, and then you can go in, whatever amount it is, so maybe that's 40 mil there, press enter. So I've defined this area in the middle, and this is the area that I'm going to then raise up using the push-pull tool. But to do that, first of all I need to draw a rectangle there, so I'll just go in that corner like that, and then press P for the push-pull tool, and then I can drag up. Now don't forget, you can just drag it up whatever amount you want, and then you can type in the height that you need, so let's say it's 45 millimeters, and then press enter. Okay. So that's looking quite good so far. Now in a typical vacuum form case for a student, you're going to have slanting sides. The easy way to do that is to change to the line tool there. So I pressed L, and then remember you could set guides as well to get the right height and things like that. For the moment I'm not going to do that, just to speed things up for the video. So I'll just draw a line across there, and then I press P, push-pull tool, and I can push that out of the way. Maybe I want this one to be curved, and now to do that I'm going to need an arc there. So let's say I'm going to go down like that, let's say 25 mil, and then I'll go in and then type 25 there, and then I press A for the arc, and then go there. It's a 2-point arc there, and remember in the previous video the importance of that purple thing there. If you haven't watched that video, then do it because it's useful, and then press P for the push tool. So you could add more detail, okay, but basically that's not a bad representation for many people of roughly what a vacuum form case might look like. I just go on to edit and then delete those guides because I don't want them there. And don't forget, you can also turn off other things, like you can turn off the axes or whatever it is you want to do. Okay, so end of video here. In the next video I think I'll show you maybe about adding some screw heads, maybe a top panel, something like that, some switches and things. Okay.